There are multiple people. They're always going to feel. They're always going to do. Array, let me busy. Let me busy. Automatically, success by default will be there. Let me busy while doing some activity. Okay, busy is the different. Okay, but productive is the different. You are busy on what activity that matters a lot. I'm full busy on low level activity. What is the use? Full busy on higher level activity. Definitely there is a bigger difference is there in your results. That's why don't you require to do business. You are not required to do busyness. There is a difference in there. Business you require to do, not busyness. So being busy all the day, there is no use at all. Okay. So something like in Telugu, we have one wonderful saying is there. గుడ్డెద్దు చేలోబడినట్లుగా గుడ్డి ఎద్దు చేలోబడినట్లుగా వాట్ ఇట్ మీన్స్ ఈస్ there is a farmland is there where grass is there. So one blind ox, okay, came one side, it start eating because it's a blind. It don't know where much grass is there, where less grass is there. It don't know that. Just keep on eating, keep on eating. What is the use? Hurry, here grass is not there, but it's spending more time there. But just beside, huge grass is there. If it can go there, happily it will do that. The same way, your activities also. There are some activities, very less result. There are some activities, high results are there. Identify. Spend your time on high result activities. That's what this total cinema talks about.